Every time I plug in my iPhone, it instantly cuts off everything that drains battery. And my phone charges faster without me touching anything. This is one of the most useful iPhone automations, and once you set it up, it works forever. Here is how to do it. Now open the Shortcuts app, then tap Automation at the bottom, then tap the plus icon in the top right to create personal automation. Now scroll down and choose Charger. Make sure you select is connected. Now choose Run immediately. If you want, you can turn on Notify when run, which is optional. Now tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. Now search for this action. In Search Actions, type Set Airplane Mode. Tap it and make sure it says Turn Airplane Mode on, then tap Done. Now every time I plug in my iPhone, airplane mode turns on automatically, disconnecting cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and background activity, which helps your iPhone charge faster. But obviously, you don't want to forget airplane mode when you unplug your iPhone. So let's automate that too. Now go back to Automation, tap the plus icon, choose Charger again, and this time select is disconnected. Choose Run immediately, then tap Next and create new shortcut. Search Set Airplane Mode again and set it to off, and then tap Done. Now it's perfect. Plug in, airplane mode turns on, unplug, airplane mode turns off. Fully automatic, no effort. This is one automation every iPhone user should set up. Save this, you'll need it. I'll see you in the next one.